Elena, who else should we bless? Nick?
Yeah, Nick. No, Nick. No, Nick.
What's his name?
No, Nick.
Okay.
Yes, you know Nick.
Okay. Who else?
Duffy.
Who?
Duffy.
Draffy?
Yeah. Duffy. That's not.
Draffy?
He wants to bless my Draffy, so.
And your cousins, who? What cousins?
Zach and Zambia. Yeah.
In Alexandria?
Yeah.
Bennett and Brennan?
Yeah.
Aunt Tammy?
Yeah.
Aunt Amy?
Yeah.
And who?
I guess
Who else?
Grandma and Papa. Is this hot?
Grammy? Uncle?
Everybody in the whole wide world.
Uncle Troy?
Uncle George.
What other uncle?
Uncle Steve. Go, Steve, go.
Where, Uncle Steve?
Yeah.
Uncle Todd?
George. Uncle George.
And who's the smartest man in the world? What uncle is that? Uncle Bruce? Okay. Anybody else?
Sure.
You said Bippy already, right?
Baby. Yes, she did.
And what about Nick?
No, Nick. No, Nick.
Okay.
I'm back.
Now it's time to lay down.
Yep.
Yep. Lay down.
Lay down. No. Lay down. When you hear after you hear.
Yeah. It's not like I'm putting you to bed at 7 o'clock here.
No. What is
It's 9:40.
Well, that's.
It's late.
I'm awake this time, my God. Well, bye.
Say good night.
And good night.
Amen.
This is the prayer rally. So, good night.
Say amen.
Come here whenever you want to hear a prayer like
Say
that.
amen.
Amen. Now can we watch the video, please?
Say amen.
Amen. Amen. Now can we watch the video?